Elmer of Laguna Choppers, and right now we're not going to do any motorcycle vlog, but right here at the showroom of Laguna Choppers. I'm pretty sure most of you have heard about what happened to the province of Batangas because of the eruption of Taal Volcano. Actually, the team gathered some funds from friends from the United States, from our family here, friends in Metro Manila and all, and came up with this outreach. We're going to go to San Pablo Central School because our mayor have opened the doors to evacuees from all over Batangas province. So we got people from Talisay, Taal, Batangas City, Balete, and all the other places that are devastated by the Taal Volcano eruption. So we're going to be distributing some food packs and some hygiene kits that will help them probably about a few days. This is just an initial help from our group, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot more people to come over and visit them and try to help them out. So it's time for us to get up, get out, and reach out to our Batangueño brothers and sisters. Try to help them out. Our people needs us. Men, women, and children are displaced. Hundreds of thousands of people are homeless right now because of what's happening in Batangas, and I hope let's all have a heart to help out anybody. People are scattered all over the place. We got people here in San Pablo and some barangays. We're going to be doing another outreach, not just here, but one in San Antonio, Quezon. A friend of ours is helping out about 100 or 100 more, over 100 people. So this is just an initial for us from Team Laguna Choppers, and I would like to encourage you to, get out there and reach out. I mean, if you don't have funds, you don't have anything to donate, your time and your skills or whatever that may be very useful to help out these people, or our people, let's do that. And most of all, please help us pray for them. I mean, this is not going to take only a few days. This may take a long time, and we're going to have some plans for them to help them out because this is going to be a long term. It's not just a relief that they need. I mean, people lost their houses and everything. So come join us. We're going to be showing you some of the boys trying to pack hygiene kits that we're going to be sending to the evacuees here in San Pablo City Central School Gymnasium. So this is Elmer once again. Please join us. Thank you and God bless. San Pablo City Central School. This is the command center, and chief is Reyes, and we're going to be distributing hygiene kits for about 120 individuals, and the others will go to other barangays. So we're going to see them, and after this we're going to go to the cafeteria. We're going to distribute some food. of a lot of the big foundations like ABS, GMA Foundation, and send them money so that they can distribute all your donations for people like them. And so we're gonna say bye for now, and this is the first part of our outreach program. And later on, the next few days we're gonna go down to San Antonio and some